On Friday, February 8th, we had our first ever Kubernetes, or K8 as people here fondly call it, conference here in Cologne, Germany. We are so glad that so many of you turned up and turned this conference into a great learning experience and a place to grow. A big thank you to all our sponsors, Rancher, Neuvector, Cologne Intelligence, Enovex, Tuto.net, and DGI, as well as to our partners Red Hat and SUSE.
Let me welcome you to our first Linux conference in Cologne.
After the opening remarks by Cloud Sky, the conference started with a keynote delivered by Michael Hossenblas, the well-known developer advocate at Red Hat on troubleshooting Kubernetes. Rancher's John Bruder was up next, explaining easy multi-cluster management and RBAC. During lunch, many people used the opportunity to meet new colleagues and forge new relationships. In the afternoon, the conference split into 3 different tracks. The main track started with Docker Captain Dieter Reuter talking about container exploits and other attack surfaces.
Security for container environments is paramount.
We love to learn. Come and join us.
SUSE brings the Cloud Foundry developer experience to the world of Kubernetes.
Knative brings serverless computing to Kubernetes.
Wir definieren Hosting für den Mittelstand neu.
We were very happy to have Uchel from New Zealand join and present their brand new IDE for Kubernetes.
So we're presenting Kubernetes Studio, the design IDE for Kubernetes, and we use data visualization and awesome UX to make the usage of Kubernetes easier.
At the end of the conference, during the close, we discussed the road ahead with our great speakers and sponsors on stage.
Thanks for coming. Safe trip home.
Thanks to all of you for joining and hope to see you again at our next conference. A special thank you to our sponsors. Without their support, this conference would not have been possible.